this application works online, so you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection speed. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Technically Adjacent. In this video we will learn how to solve the problem of Capcut application lags, or why Capcut application hang. Mostly there are three reasons which we are counting the problem of lagging this application. The two reasons are the reasons of lagging Capcut application, and the one reason which I will show you, that will not the reason of lagging Capcut application. Okay, first reason of lag is your internet connection is slow. Of course, if your internet connection will slow, so the Capcut application will work with lag. The application will lag because this application need a good speed of internet. And the second reason is clearing the application data storage. If your application has a lot of projects in storage, so it will lag in working time. And the third reason is that is not the reason of lagging Capcut application, which is uploading large size of file in Capcut application. So let's start the video. The first reason I have told you that you have to make sure that you have a good speed of internet. The second reason is now I am proceeding with. So let's go to proceed with second method or reason. Open setting. Now here find apps. Now here find Capcut. Open it. Now here find storage. Now tap on clear data. Now delete. The data has been deleted. Now let's go to the application, if it runs smoothly or no. Accept. Okay, I have opened the application. Now it's asking me some necessary permissions. Allow, skip, and close this window. Now tap on edit. Select new project. Allow. Now here I will select a large MB of file. This is the third reason. Okay, as you saw, our video has a large file of space. So the Capcut is going to reduce the size of our MB, the size of our MB of video. So Capcut is going to reduce the size of our video. So for that purpose, Capcut is asking permission. Now if I click on try it, and if I click on add, so the message will pop up like this. It's because I have told you that our video have a large space of MB. So for this, the Capcut is going to reduce the size, and it's good. This is an advantage of using this application. It have a compressor of video already, so you can compress in uploading time. You don't need any other extra application for compressing your video. Now I am opening the small size of video. So as you saw, the video has been opened directly. With these methods, you can run smoothly your Capcut application and you can enjoy working in your Capcut application.